Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to talk to you about a fantastic internship opportunity at Meesho. So one of the India's leading e-commerce platform. So if you are looking to dive into the world of talent acquisition and get a real hands-on experience, so stick around this video. We are going to talk all about the TA Coordinator Intern at Meesho and why it could be the perfect next step in your career. So let's discuss what is Meesho. So Meesho has revolutionized online shopping in India by empowering the small business and individual entrepreneurs. They have built a massive platform that makes it easy for sellers to reach millions of customers across the country. So working with such a dynamic company will give you insight into how startups scale and particularly in the fast-paced e-commerce industry. So coming to the role is of TA Coordinate Intern and TA stands for the talent acquisition. And as a TA coordinator intern at Meesho, you will be assisting with the recruitment process. So this means you will help with the screening resumes, coordinating the interviews, and following up with the candidates. It's a crucial role because you will be the bridge between the candidate and as well as the Meesho, ensuring the hiring process goes smoothly and perfectly. Now, who can apply for this internship? So Meesho is looking for the candidates who are detail oriented and organized and great communication. So whether you are a student looking to gain experience in HR or recent graduation hoping to break into the corporate world, so this role could be a great fit. Plus, you don't need year of experience to apply for it, and there is more interested in your willingness to learn and ability to manage a multiple tasks as well. Now, what you will be doing in this role? So in this role, you will work closely with the Meesho HR team, helping with them source to top talent, and you will coordinate the hiring managers, schedule the interviews, and keep tracking of the candidates' progress throughout the hiring pipeline. So this is a fantastic opportunity to learn the pros and cons of recruitment while working for a company that is shaping the future of online shopping in India. The skills that are required in order to apply for this internship: first, you will hone your communication and organizational skills as you interact with the candidate and team across the company. You will also get exposure to HR teams and tools which are valuable in any career. Additionally, you will learn how to manage time efficiently and a critical skills in a fast growing organization like Meesho. So why we should choose Meesho? So first, you will be working at a company that making a real impact by empowering the small business across India. Plus, Meesho has a fantastic culture that values the innovation and collaboration and growth. So this means you won't just fetching the coffee, you will be contributing to team and as well as learning every day. So how to apply for this internship? I have given in the link in the description box. So once when you click on that link, you will redirect to this page and simply you press on apply now button, then the further process will be going ahead. And the location of this internship would be in Bangalore, and as well as so make sure that your resume highlights your organizational and communication skills and as well as any previous year experience working in a team or handling the multiple tasks. So that's a quick overview of a TA coordinator internship at Meesho. So if you are looking for an opportunity to build your career in the talent acquisition and be a part of a company that's changing the e-commerce landscape, don't miss this chance. Apply today and take the first step towards an exciting career in HR. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more job updates and career tips in the tech world. So see you in the next video.